the velocity of light in a medium the velocity of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. ठीक है. What is the refractive index of the medium with respect to air? What is the refractive index of the medium with respect to air? What is the refractive index of the medium with respect to air? So let this be V2 and velocity of light. ये इतना ही है क्वेश्चन. हाँ चल ठीक है. Velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. ये question है. What is the question? I'll repeat the question. The velocity of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Full stop. What is the refractive index of the medium? What is the refractive index of the medium with respect to air if the velocity of air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second? तो हमें सबसे पहले जब सॉल्व करते हैं ऐसे लिखना है गिवन वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम को हमने v2 दिया है, वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन एयर को हमने v1 दिया है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द मीडियम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर ऑफ द मीडियम 2 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मीडियम 1 इज इक्वल टू 2 1. तो v21 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? कल आपने किया था. v21 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? v1 अपॉन v2. तो हमारे आंसर में क्या होगा? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Therefore, the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is 5 to 2. ठीक है. What is next question? What is the speed of light? हो गया ना ये? Shall I go ahead? Next question. What is the speed of light? What is the speed of light in diamond? What is the speed of light in diamond? If absolute refractive index सिर्फ इतना ही है. What is the speed of light in diamond? लिखो next question. What is the speed of light in diamond? कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसे? How will you solve this? What is the speed of light in diamond? चलो बोलो, how you will solve it? सबसे पहले हम given लिखेंगे. We know the formula. Refractive index is equal to V2 upon V1. In medium 2 is equal to width of 2 with respect to 1 is V1 upon V2. अगर हमारा V1, what is our V1? Speed of light in या velocity of light, velocity लिखो, speed मत लिखो. Velocity of light in vacuum or air, vacuum ही लिखो, is V1 is 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. We have to find velocity of light in diamond, which we will write as V2 as question mark. ठीक है? And refractive index of diamond with respect to vacuum or diamond absolute refractive index. ये दोनों चीजें एक है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. that is eta of 2 with respect to 1 is equal to, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, ये आपके बुक में है. और सिंस अभी आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी, लेकिन आपको मैं इसका अभी फोटो भी भेज कर दूंगी, वो आपको लर्न करना है. और जब भी ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपको क्विकली बोलना है. दैट इज फॉर होमवर्क कि आपको लर्न करना है आपका. मैं भी नोट करके रखती हूँ कि आपको भेजना है. तो अभी कैन एनीबडी से, फिर भी अगर है कि दोनों में से किसी को पता है इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या है? इट इज 2.4. 2.4. अभी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. योर फॉर्मूला इज, सॉरी, देयर इज अ डेसिमल ना, ये क्लियर नहीं दिखता है. प्लीज राइट दिस डाउन. दैट विल बी योर आंसर. क्लियर? हैव यू टेकन दिस डाउन? Clear? Shall I erase this? You can take two sums for homework. The refractive index of water, please write the refractive index of water the refractive index of water is ये तब करूँ मैं हो गया ये लिखकर होमवर्क सब लिखें the refractive index of water is 4/3 is 4/3 and speed of light in air is 3 into 10 or velocity of light in air is 3. Find the velocity of light in water. Find the velocity of light in water. Next question. Next question. The velocity of light in water. The velocity of light in water and glass is 2.2 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second and 2.1 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second respectively. Respectively. What is the question है आगे? What is the refractive index? What is the refractive index of water with respect to glass and glass with respect to water? Of water with respect to glass and glass with respect to water. Have you taken this down, both of them? I don't know. I guess it is Abdullah. Abdullah, can you hear me? What is this number F664? So please rename yourself and with your correct name. I know that it must be you only, but please rename it. So आप आपका ये क्या है? फोन है, मोबाइल है या लैपटॉप है? Have you taken this down, Risa? Okay. So we have the two types of mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, which we have done previously. When we are talking about the convex lens, we have the concave mirror. ठीक है? दो concave mirror को हमने ऐसे place किया है. एक को इस तरह, this is the reflecting side and this is the non-reflecting side, and this is the reflecting side and this is the non-reflecting side. दोनों को turn करके, एक इस तरफ face करके और एक उस तरफ face करके हमने इनको join किया है. Then both the sides are reflecting and the non-reflecting are in the center, and this is the shape in which the middle part is narrower as the outer side. End part is broader. Corner parts are broader. This is the shape of the concave lens. Similarly, when we are talking about the convex mirror, there are two convex mirrors which are coming together to form the convex lens. As you see, the reflecting surface here and the reflecting surface is over here, and they both come together and the middle part is non-reflecting. This gives you the shape of the convex lens, which is bulging in the center and narrower at the or tapering at the end. Okay. Now please write define lens. A lens is a transparent material. A lens is a transparent material. A lens is a transparent material bound by two surfaces. Bound by two surfaces, out of which at least one surface is spherical, full stop. Then you write define convex lens. Define convex lens. Define convex lens. A lens having both spherical surfaces, bulging outwards is a convex lens. Or double convex lens. Or double convex lens. It is a converging lens. It is a converging lens. लिखे? फिर लिखो डिफाइन कॉन्केव लेंस. नहीं, पहले ये बनाओ, ये डायग्राम, ये छोटा सा ना, ये बना दो. कैसे बनाना है मैंने आपको बताया है. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट इन द 6 लाइन. 1 2 3 4 5 6. इसको आप डी करके भी बना सकते हैं. आपको आपके पास कंपास है तो उससे भी बना सकते हैं. बट यू हैव टू मेक इट वेरी वेरी नीट. तो वही हैबिट रहेगी आपको. Next, define concave lens. A lens having both surfaces curved inwards. A lens having both surfaces curved inwards. Both surfaces curved inwards is called a concave lens. Is called a concave lens or double concave lens. Or double concave lens. It is thicker at the edges. It is thicker at the edges. It is thicker, thicker, thicker at the edges than at the middle. Than at the middle, full stop. This lens can diverge light rays. This lens can diverge light rays incident on it. Incident on it, and hence it is called diverging lens. Hence it is called diverging lens. उसके बाद आपको ये ड्रॉ करना है अगेन इन 6 लाइन्स. ये 5 लाइन्स में हो गया, बट आप 6 लाइन्स में ड्रॉ करें. And here we will stop after you draw this diagram. You want me to repeat it? Please tell me. That is the end of this.